Hi everyone, this is Ms. Hartman. I am one of the 8th grade ELA teachers here at Beck, and today I want to show you how to submit an assignment using Google in Canvas. So first I'm going to go to the course that has my assignment. So I'm going to click on my course, and in your ELA courses, you will find your assignments under modules. So I'm going to click modules. Each week we'll have a different module and you'll find the assignments that are due in that module. So I'm going to click on the Google assignment where I'm going to submit a document that Mrs. Gruen has created for me to fill out. I'll click on this assignment. Now the first time you go to a Google assignment in Canvas, you're going to have to authorize Canvas to access your Google account. So you'll have to click this blue authorize button at the bottom left. And then you're going to choose your Katy ISD Google account. That's going to be your student ID at students.katyisd.org. So I'll click my Google account, enter my password, and click Next. And then it's going to ask me if I want to allow Canvas to access my Google account. I do, so I'm going to click the blue Allow button. And it's going to bring up the document that Mrs. Gruen has created for me to complete. Now, notice it's a very small window. I'll show you how to access this if you want to see the full document. But the first thing I want to show you is I can start to fill out this document right here. So I'm going to start typing, and I can fill out everything that Mrs. Gruen wants me to complete in this document. Now, let's say this is going to be a document that I need to spend the week filling out, so I can only fill out certain sections per day. That's okay. I can leave the assignment, and everything is still going to be saved in my Google document in this assignment. So if I go back to the assignment by going to modules and then going back to this assignment, first notice that I don't have to authorize Canvas to access my Google account. It's going to remember my Google account from here on out. Second thing I want you to notice is the text that I typed in earlier is still in here. So Google has automatically saved my text in here, so I don't have to worry about having to fill everything out again. So you can come back to these assignments as many times as you need to before the due date. Once the due date has passed, you won't be able to do that anymore. Now, another way to access this Google document is it's going to save it in your Katy ISD Google account so that you can access it through Google as well. So if you go to My Katy Cloud and you search for Google, it'll take you to your Katy ISD Google account. Now, if you go to My Drive, it will create a folder called Katy ISD. If you open that Katy ISD folder, it's going to create a folder with your course name on it. So here's the course, Gruen Playground. If I click that, here's the document that was in Canvas that I was editing. So I can open that, and now I have the full document. So this might be easier for some of you to type in because you can see the full document. Now, if I start editing in Google Drive and I just type in my sample theme here, and I decide, okay, I'm finished for the day, and I close this out. I can go back to my Google assignment and my text that I just typed in here will show up in Canvas because this is the Google document. Google automatically saves your work. So you don't have to worry about your work being lost. Google will automatically save it. So now let's say I am ready to submit this. I've finished it. I'm happy with what I've written, and now I'm ready to submit. I'm going to click this blue submit button right here. Now notice that nothing really happens. The blue submit button is still there because the due date has not passed yet. I can still submit this as many times as I need to until the due date. But what I want you to notice is to confirm that you've submitted this, it will show you submitted at and then show you the time and date that you submitted. This is going to be very important because you're going to want to confirm that this has been submitted. So to confirm that, you'll find this text right here, submitted at, and then the date and time that you submitted this document.